Hello and welcome to another video. In this one I will not really talk about tutorials, but it's mostly about this channel. And what I want to tell you about is that did I tell you to subscribe already? In this one I will talk to you about what this channel is going through, and I would like to tell you that I really need your support now, and by support I mean subscribing to my channel. Help it by subscribing, and if you subscribed already, how you can help it, you can let your friends or family know about this channel and how you found it, and if I helped you, and if I helped you with anything, please help me in return and do this time. I need more subscribers for this channel to survive. The main reason is that even though this channel has a lot of views, the subscriber count is not high enough to keep the channel monetized. What I need you to do, I need you to let your friends and family know about this channel, share the link to this channel to any forums or Facebook or where you're most active, and let them know how I can help them. And also any questions you have, I can try to do my best to answer them. I will not give you answers if I don't research it before. So this is for today. There's not much to say. It's just this fact that it's hard for everyone now, especially the small channels like this one. And we have a cooking channel also, where you can, if you're interested in recipes, you find the link in the description. Please subscribe to that one also. It really helps us, and hopefully we will have a good year together without any more problems like this. I don't need a lot of subscribers, just 1,000 to go over this. The same for the other channel. So 1,000 subscribers for each channel. We can really do this. It's not such a difficult thing, I believe, to subscribe to one channel, even if maybe you're not 100% interested, but you might find some good content. I would say if 20% of the content has a chance of being enjoyed by you, you should subscribe. If that is not enough, just do it for helping us and keeping these both channels together, keeping going into the next year. We will get better at this. We will have a better video quality, and it's starting raining now already. Just stay close and keep subscribed and let your friends know about this, and we will be fine. If you know any other small channels that need your help, I would really suggest that you do it. You subscribe to them and share their links also. It really helps everyone now. It's a difficult time. That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed it, and have a good day. Bye. I hope it's okay.